Now, so the first task I'm going to tackle here on the roof is this covering. Okay, so I'm going to make this like a press metal covering, um, and I might make it thick as well, so that it has a bit of insulation in it as well. So there's, as I said, there's various different ways we can go about this. There's various different things that we can do. If I go back to that Kingspan package, you can see these are preformed insulated gutter here, preformed, somewhat preformed cappings there. Uh, so it's that type of thing that we're looking at to come over here. Um, so I'm going to use the roof technique for this one. And you probably haven't done this before. Watch what I'm going to do here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my roof command here. Now we've always used roof by footprint, but this is going to be roof by extrusion. All right. And we need to pick a plane again. And I will just make sure I get a flat plane here like we have been doing before. Not quite sure if that is what I'm looking for. And if it's not working for you, then you create the reference plane as such. Let's do that now. Let's just see if that works. Let's turn it on so it shows. Yeah, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Now, so I'm coming over here. I've created this one here called press metal capping, but I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to duplicate this one. So it's press metal capping 2, and it's the structure that we're concerned with here. So I've got an aluminium, so I'm going to do an insert and an insert. Bring my core boundary down here, and I'll bring this one down. Okay, so there's an aluminium finish, and then I'm going to put a rigid insulation in here. So insulation, rigid. All right, and I'll make that about say 50 mil, and then that'll be a finish up there. That's finish 4, and then this one's going to be a finish 5, and I'll do the metal aluminium here as well. Yeah, that one there, because it's got the surface pattern on it. That's the one that I wanted to use. Right, so these are just going to be 3 and 3. Okay, so that's my capping done there. Okay. Now, the secret of this one is that you don't draw the profile shape. You just draw a couple of lines, single lines, if you like. Now, I'm not quite sure whether it's going to come on the underside or the top side, but I'll do this. So you can see I put in a couple of drafting lines there, just to give me an idea where it is. Now, that's it. Okay, so hit escape and finish, and let's see what happens. All right. Now, that's not bad, except that it has kind of come in on the inside there, but that actually is not bad at all. That is not bad because I got my insulation in here as such, you know. Now let's just take a look at that 3D. See how it works out. So here it is, right? And if I select it, I get the grips and I can actually pull these out. I'll go to the top truss here and I can pull these right away across. Now I'm kind of happy with the way that worked out, and I'll tell you exactly why in a second now. So that's going all the way across there and to the inside of this one here. All right. And I'm going to copy that while I'm here. Okay, and again, it's just to find a good aligning spot. Should be that one there. Okay, let's just now. So there's both of them in place. All right, like so. And if I go into the section, now you can see that it's showing up there. All right. Now, so what they often do, the reason I like this one is that what will often happen is that the outside aluminium face will kind of continue down. If we go back to the diagram here, you can see it there. See that piece there? Right? And see that piece there? They're kind of fixing pieces. So I'm going to regard what I've just done there, that this is the fixing piece and that's the fixing piece there, and that is sitting up quite nicely on that. All right, so that is roof by extrusion, and then creating the particular style of roof. And as I said, it's a single set of lines, and your roof will follow those profiles on that one. All right, so